It's November 22nd. Just got out of the tree. 3 does came walking in. I ended up hitting one. We climbed in. This is a new spot. Jake just came for the first time last night. He saw 20, 30 deer. So we decided to give it a shot. Been slow all morning. 3 does came in. I took the biggest one just over the hill here, about 15 yards. So hopefully we can go find her. Stay tuned.
Oh baby.
Woo. Good blood. My arrow was white. It's not white.
Let's go find it.
Let's do it.
She was pouring right off the start. Look at that.
Look at my freaking little freaking. Well, we're about 5 yards from where we shot her, and already we've got a massive blood trail. Really dark blood. So I think we made definitely a good shot. She couldn't have gone too far. She ran out through the woods, out into a cornfield. So she has to be in the middle of that cornfield, because I mean, I almost guaranteed she couldn't have made it across. We hit some vitals, so hopefully she's right over the hill. Stay tuned. HamBros. Jake, right there. Right there she is.
Oh baby. Told you she wouldn't make it very far.
Not 50 yards from where she was hit. That's the way it's done. Point did her job. HamBros Outdoors, baby. Oh
Big.
yeah, baby.
Big doe.
Big mature doe.
That's some doe management right there.
Doe management. Well, like we said, she cooped up here about 50 yards from where we were sitting. Like I said, it's November 22nd, so rut's really kindling down. Not even really chasing anymore. She was one of 3 does coming in, and she was obviously the biggest. And rest of history. I mean, I don't say I'm kind of speechless. My first deer of the year. It's exciting. Me and Jake and a few friends, been experimenting with the filming, and this is one of our first really decent footages that we've got killing deer on film. Yeah, it is a doe, but they need killed too. Farmers need them out of here, so we're excited. This is a fun one. So hopefully we can get another one for you guys on film. I'm with Jake.